The 2020 Florida Building Code, specifically Chapter 61A, Section 61 MS 404.41, addresses the protection of smoke detectors. This section outlines specific requirements for the placement of smoke detectors to ensure their proper function and prevent obstructions from hindering their ability to detect smoke. According to this code, smoke detectors must be installed at least 12 inches, or 305 millimeters from any wall, partition, or other obstruction. This distance is crucial because it allows for an unrestricted flow of air around the detector in all directions. If a smoke detector is placed too close to a wall or other obstruction, the airflow may be impeded, which can delay or prevent smoke from reaching the detector. This delay can significantly reduce the detector's effectiveness in providing early warning of a fire. In addition to the distance requirement from walls and partitions, the Florida Building Code also mandates that smoke detectors be installed outside of any air handling zone created by a ceiling fan or other air circulating device. An air handling zone is the area where the airflow from the fan or device is directly affecting the movement of air. Placing a smoke detector within the zone can cause the smoke to be diluted or diverted away from the detector, again reducing its sensitivity and effectiveness. The purpose of these regulations is to minimize the potential for false alarms and ensure that smoke detectors are capable of detecting smoke as quickly and reliably as possible. Proper placement of smoke detectors is critical for life safety, as early detection of a fire provides occupants with the necessary time to evacuate the building safely. The code's emphasis on maintaining clear airflow around the detectors underscores the importance of considering environmental factors during installation. When installing smoke detectors, it is essential to carefully assess the surrounding environment and identify any potential obstructions or air handling devices that could affect their performance. If there are any walls, partitions, or other obstructions within 12 inches of the desired location, the detector should be moved to a more suitable position. Similarly, if there is a ceiling fan or other air circulating device in the vicinity, the detector should be placed outside of its direct airflow path. In practice, complying with these code requirements involves a thorough understanding of the building's layout and the placement of other fixtures and appliances. It may be necessary to consult with a qualified electrician or fire safety professional to ensure that the smoke detectors are installed in accordance with all applicable codes and regulations. Failure to comply with these requirements can result in fines or other penalties, and more importantly, it can jeopardize the safety of the building's occupant. Therefore, it is crucial to take the time to carefully plan and execute the installation of smoke detectors, paying close attention to the distance requirements and the presence of any potential obstructions or air handling devices. By adhering to these guidelines, you can help to ensure that the smoke detectors will function effectively and provide early warning of a fire, potentially saving lives and property. The specific requirements outlined in the 2020 Florida Building Code are designed to address the unique challenges associated with smoke detector placement in various types of buildings. The code recognizes that environmental factors such as airflow and obstructions can significantly impact the performance of smoke detectors, and it provides clear and concise guidance on how to mitigate these effects. By following these guidelines, builders, contractors, and homeowners can ensure that smoke detectors are installed in a manner that maximizes their effectiveness and minimizes the risk of false alarms. Moreover, the code's emphasis on proper installation underscores the importance of ongoing maintenance and testing of smoke detectors. Regular testing is essential to ensure that the detectors are functioning correctly and that the batteries are still charged. It is also important to periodically inspect the detectors for any signs of damage or deterioration and to replace them as needed. By taking these steps, you can help to ensure that your smoke detectors will continue to provide reliable protection for years to come. The Florida Building Code is constantly evolving to reflect the latest advancements in fire safety technology and best practices. It is therefore important to stay informed about any updates or changes to the code that may affect the installation or maintenance of smoke detectors. You can access the most current version of the Florida Building Code online or through your local building department. By staying up to date on the latest code requirements, you can ensure that you are in compliance with all applicable regulations and that you are providing the highest level of fire safety protection for your building and its occupants. In summary, the 2020 Florida Building Code Section 61 AMS 404.41 provides clear and concise guidance on the proper installation of smoke detectors, with a particular focus on maintaining clear airflow around the detectors and avoiding placement within air handling zones. By following these guidelines, you can help to ensure that your smoke detectors will function effectively and provide early warning of a fire, potentially saving lives and property. Always consult the latest version of the Florida Building Code and with qualified professionals for specific requirements and interpretations related to your project. Remember that proper smoke detector placement is a critical component of fire safety and should be given the utmost attention. The code specifies that detectors must be at least 12 inches from obstructions to permit air to circulate freely. This is because stagnant air pockets can prevent smoke from reaching the detector quickly. Air handling zones created by fans or vents can dilute smoke or redirect it, making detection unreliable. Install smoke detectors away from these zones. Regular testing is essential. Press the test button monthly to ensure the detector is functioning. Replace batteries annually, or as needed, if the detector chirps indicating a low battery. Consider interconnected smoke detectors. When one detects smoke, all interconnected detectors will sound an alarm. This is especially useful in larger homes or buildings. Hardwired smoke detectors with battery backup are preferred for new construction. They offer a more reliable power source. Check local codes for specific requirements regarding hardwired versus battery-operated detectors. Ionization smoke detectors are generally more responsive to flaming fires. Photoelectric smoke detectors are generally more responsive to smoldering fires. Consider using a combination of both types or dual sensor detectors for comprehensive protection. Place smoke detectors on every level of your home, including the basement. Install them inside and outside of sleeping areas. Avoid placing smoke detectors in kitchens or bathrooms where steam or cooking fumes can cause false alarms. Mount smoke detectors on the ceiling or high on the wall as smoke rises. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for specific placement guidelines. Clean smoke detectors regularly by vacuuming or dusting them to remove cobwebs and dust. Replace smoke detectors every 10 years, as their sensors can degrade over time. Keep a record of when you installed each smoke detector and when it needs to be replaced. Consider installing a carbon monoxide detector in addition to smoke detectors, as carbon monoxide is a colorless and odorless gas that can be deadly. Educate all occupants of your home or building about fire safety, including how to recognize the sound of the smoke detector alarm and what to do in case of a fire. Develop a fire escape plan and practice it regularly with all occupants. Keep emergency numbers readily available and easily accessible. Ensure that all windows and doors can be easily opened in case of a fire. Consider installing fire extinguishers in key areas of your home or building and learn how to use them properly. Keep flammable materials away from heat sources. Never leave cooking unattended. Be careful when using candles or other open flames. Have your electrical system inspected regularly by a qualified electrician. Replace any damaged or frayed electrical cords. Avoid overloading electrical outlets. Use surge protectors to protect electronic equipment from power surges. Keep your home or building well maintained to prevent fires. By following these fire safety tips, you can significantly reduce your risk of fire and protect your home, your family, and your property. Remember that fire safety is a shared responsibility, and everyone should take steps to prevent fires and be prepared in case of an emergency. Understanding and adhering to building codes such as the Florida Building Code is a critical component of overall fire safety. These codes are designed to protect lives and property by establishing minimum standards for construction and safety. Regularly review and update your fire safety plan to ensure it remains effective. As technology evolves, so do fire safety measures. Stay informed about new products and strategies that can enhance your fire safety preparedness. Invest in quality smoke detectors and other fire safety equipment. Cheaper options may not be as reliable. Properly installed and maintained smoke detectors are your first line of defense against fire. They provide early warning, giving you and your family time to escape safely. Make fire safety a priority in your home and community. Together, we can prevent fires and save lives.